me show you what happens when you let wives try to move lawnmowers. Look what she did. Man, stay off equipment, woman. There's money. Don't care who you are. 'Cause I have no clue what I'm doing, but I'm going to move it for him. Oh, shit. Just knock it off the block. I want the shed to die. Die, shed, die. I hope that shed's dead. I'm gonna knock it off the block. And she did a hell of a job. She dug a 6 feet deep. Oh, you're a good girl. Oh, you're so helpful, babe. Thank you. Master fixed it. Again. See if I can cover a hole up where my bike parks.
I don't know where your plate is.
It's underneath all the dirt you kicked up when you tried to drive under the shed.
Yep.
Nice job. Good job.